Hey everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you some In Love Arts dies, as well as a project share or some project shares and a discount code that you can use on their website, which is inloveartshop.com. You can find them on Instagram at inloveartshop. The 20% discount code is going to be S31465. I have several dies that I'm sharing with you today. This first one is the sweet ice cream dies. These are super cute. I picked these up because I wanted to try to save them for Valentine's or even summer. I thought they'd be super cute. And then these are the mini taper shaped treat box dies. This one's also really cute. It forms like a little purse. I'll show you in just a bit. And then this one's the tag shaped memo dies. This one is so versatile. I do a couple of different projects just to give you some examples in just a second, but I thought it was really good. And then this one's the mini gift box die. This was like a little milk carton, but just really, really tiny. It is so cute. And then this one I think was my favorite. It's the mini cloud shaped cover hollow bag dies. It's a mouthful to say, but it's actually a really great die. And it's really basic, but it's also really great. So again, I have a 20% discount code S31465. I'll share it again here in a bit. The first one that I wanted to share as far as a project share are these sweet ice cream dies. Look how cute these are. What I did was I layered them a little bit with some foam tape. They are just so stinking cute. These are going to be great for summer and even for Valentine's. And these are all the dies that come with it, including these two little circles like for the cherry. I just went ahead and added a Jemmy, but you could die cut and make a little cherry on top. This one's the mini taper shaped treat box dies. Again, this one forms like a purse type shape. That's what the die looks like when you cut it out. This is one of the little projects I made with it. It's just a cute little purse, a little container to maybe hold like a treat or a favor. I've seen people make little backpacks out of this. You can make like little mini favor treat boxes. There's so many little options you can do. What I like is that it already has all of the fold lines perforated, and so it makes it really simple to assemble this, and it's such a unique little shape that kind of just works. It's actually pretty neat. One of the things that I wanted to do also with this was stick a lollipop in here and make like a little lollipop holder. I think that would be great. I didn't get a chance to do it for this video, but I think I definitely will do it for future videos. So definitely that's a really cute one to have as well. And then this mini gift box dies. This one's actually really cute. So this is what it looks like when it's punched out, which is just really straightforward. I like it that it's one piece. Look how stinking cute this is. It's so cute. It's so small. It's mini. This is perfect for any of your little bitty, like mini projects. Anybody who likes to make mini size projects, it's perfect size to put like a peanut butter cup, or in this case, a peppermint bark cup. I found those at Dollar Tree, of course. You know, I like my Dollar Tree candy for these favors, and this makes the perfect one. I did. You can technically add glue to the top to seal it, or you could even put ribbon. I went ahead and just sealed it with a little bitty clothespin, a mini one, super cute. Added a little bow, added a sentiment, added a sticker, and you're basically done. I mean, it's so stinking cute. And it's so quick and easy. And again, what I like is that it's all one piece. You fold it, you glue it, it's done. This one is the tag shaped memo dies. This one is the one I said was very versatile. I really like this one. Of course, you can use it for a banner. That's the obvious choice. But look how you can use it to decorate on cards and just kind of add like sort of embellishment pieces. So here's where I just die cut some of those tags and added them to the fronts of these cards as part of the like layering effect that I did on those two cards. And you can kind of see that the size of the largest one is actually pretty big, and it would serve as a really great focal point to put on top of cards as well. So that's an A2 size card, by the way. There's another one. So this is just like a little mini flip album. So cute. Great way to use up your stash. And so what I did was I just layered on two of each of the size of these little banners, or the tag shape memo dies. And I think they turned out great as far as just having a great little size. You can definitely put some little pictures in here if you wanted to, or just, again, use up your stash and use up stickers and ephemera and, whatever to kind of just make it. I thought it turned out really cute. I think this one's my favorite. This one's the mini cloud shaped cover hollow bag dies. Again, it's a mouthful to say, but I thought it was actually really neat. So this is how it like cuts out, and it's kind of hard to see, but it does have the perforated lines as well. Here's the project that I made. Super basic, super easy. And this one was a real, crowd pleaser when I passed these out at work this week. So they really, really liked them. Again, my 20% off code is going to be S31465 at inloveartshop.com. I'll have all the details down below in the description box. You can actually save all those scallop circles when you die cut this out and use them to embellish something else. Let's go ahead and make one on camera. So what you do is you're going to go ahead and fold all the perforated lines. And essentially that's it. You've got your little, outline of your like favor or your folder. It's literally so easy. What I did was I went ahead and got some Dollar Tree candy. You know me and my Dollar Tree candy. So I got these 2 different Dollar Tree candies. And what I decided was I was going to put one of each one inside of this little favor treat container or treat box. And I thought that it worked really great because with that little scalloped circle window, the candy fits perfectly. I die cutted some trees, or actually I didn't die cut. I punched out using this Hobby Lobby large tree punch. This by the Paper Studio brand. Again, that's the Hobby Lobby brand. I don't know if they still have it, but I know I had bought it recently. And then I did use the Celebrate Christmas stamp set. That sentiment that's in the shape of a tree, I thought that would be perfect to put inside. And one of the things that I really like about this little treat holder is that it actually fits a gift card. You could, in theory, put a gift card behind there, behind your candy, or you could put a gift card behind like a little shaker element. It's also really versatile as well, and so easy to just die cut this and really quickly mass produce these. So what I'm going to do is I added some double-sided adhesive, just the ATG double-sided tape, and then I'm just adding I'm going to stick down the candies. And the reason why I use the ATG or the double-sided tape is so that way the candies don't fall out. Since the sides are open on the sides, I didn't want the candy to fall out, so I put a little bit of that double-sided tape. And then all you do is fold over the flap and then staple at the top. And you don't have to staple. You could do other methods. This is just the quick and easy method that I did to assemble these. Then you just go ahead and add your sentiment to the front. So again, I had already pre-punched out these sentiments or these trees. And then I went ahead and stamped the sentiment on them. Super quick and easy. I mean, it's just so easy. It does not get any easier than this. These are some little mini bows that I bought last year at the Valentine's section at Hobby Lobby. And I went ahead and pulled them out and just glued one to the very top. Now you'll see here, I'm using my Barely Art glue, which is mostly for paper. However, it actually works on this little fabric, bow that I glued on. You can also technically use glue dots or glue gun or any other wet glue that's good enough that will make it, that will hold it. This Barely Art glue is actually really, really amazing. Again, you do have to kind of let it dry for a few minutes. But once it did, it was firm on the packaging. Then I'm using these red gemmy dots that I got from Dollar Tree. I've hauled them in recent haul videos, and you'll know that I mentioned them, that I like to use them around Christmas, especially for like holly berries. But I think they worked out great as little ornaments on the tree as well. So that was the finished project. And I do have some more that I'm going to show you in just a second. We'll do some on camera, but just a quick project share. I wanted to show you the few projects that I made with this little set of dies that I got from In Love Art Shop. So those were all the different projects I made. Let's just quickly assemble a few on camera. I'm going to speed through this process just so you can see how quick and easy it is. Again, it's inloveartshop.com and it's 20% off. You would want to use the code S31465. And again, this specific die I'm using is the mini cloud shaped cover hollow bag dies. So if you like this one, definitely check it out. All of the dies that I'm using today, or that I received that I'm showing you today, are going to be listed in the description box below, along with the coupon code that you can use to get that 20% discount. Definitely check them out. They're just so easy. I can imagine mass producing these for any holiday, any season, any reason, just by changing up the different paper. And I know there's going to be a ton of different ways to kind of, make these look different every time. Just so easy. There's so many things you could do. I think the fun size bag of candy fits perfectly in here as well. It's a perfect size. So again, on Instagram, they're In Love Art Shop. Definitely check them out. And again, I will have links to all the dies that I'm using in the description box below, along with my coupon code, which is S31465 at the inloveartshop.com website. So here was everything that I made. I mean, just super easy. Thanks for visiting. Hope you subscribe, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks. Happy crafting.